And sacrifice my everything for just a second's worth of my story's ending. And I wish I could know if the directions that I take and all the choices that I make won't end up all for nothing. Show me what it's for. Make me understand it.
Jumping out of an airplane.
And who's making it possible?
What's that?
Thank you for making it possible. I'll see you guys up in the air.
I've been crawling in the dark, looking for the answer. Help me carry on. Surely it's okay to use my heart and not my eyes to navigate the darkness. Will the ending be ever coming suddenly? Will I ever get to see the ending to my story? Show me what it's for. Make me understand it. I've been crawling in the dark, looking for the answer. Is there something more than what I've been handed? I've been crawling in the dark.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong, would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight, and I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. I never realized I was spread too thin, till it was too late and I was empty within. Hungry, feeding on chaos and living in sin. Downward spiral, where do I begin? It all started when I lost my mother. No love for myself and no love for another. Searching to find a love upon a higher level. Finding nothing but questions and devils. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight.
Eagle has landed.
Nice fucking job, bro.
Ethan, Johnny,
Fuck yeah.
it's good to be alive.
Very good,
Fuck
Igor.
yeah.
Igor, Ethan, thanks, dude.
Hell yeah. Oh
so
man.
much, man.
That was fucking amazing.
So I'll see you guys next time.
What's that?
I'll see you next time.
Next time.
Thanks for coming to the ranch, bro.
Hell yeah. Thank you.